The chamber of the assembly, which was recently renovated and given a facelift by the state government, is now a shadow of itself. Giving the account on how the fire incident occurred, the deputy chief whip of the House, a member representing Kankia Constituency, Salisu Rimaye, said no one can say the real cause. According to him, the assembly got to know about the incident when the clerk of the House instructed the sergeant-at-arms to go clean up the chamber.
But will tell you so. But we expected it is in the night. Because as I tell you, the clerk instructed his people to come and clean the chamber. Immediately they often, if they start, the fire is taking off. So nobody knows the time that has been started.
He also said a team of electricians at the assembly have begun processes to ascertain the real cause, which he attributed to possible electrical appliance fault, especially the air conditioner, which were left on. The deputy chief whip added that though no fire station is located within the premises of the assembly, the government house fire station extended its services to the assembly.
Advise our people is to just take care of any fire electrical fittings and any electrical fittings, and they are just always leave their houses or their places often for people to come and see what is happening inside if something like this is happening.
From observations by AIT news crew inside the chamber, the fire may have started from behind the speaker's seat, which was completely burnt. Other areas affected by the incident are the press and guest gallery, as well as some seats of some members of the assembly. As at the time of this visit, Governor Aminu Masari had come for an on-the-spot assessment of the incident, where he sympathized with the deputy chief whip and other principal officers of the assembly. The house is also said to be on recess due to the strike by the workers over demand for financial autonomy from the executive arm of government.